You want to take a Palante this time and be cool and be UL?
Hell no, dude. My best is way better than a Palante.
Yeah.
How much?
10.6.
Not
10 pounds?
Not ultralight. Yeah.
0.6. That's heavier than my baby was on arrival. If you could get under 9 pounds 2 ounces, I'd be really impressed.
I can.
Oh yeah.
6.75.
That?
Yeah.
That weighs less than my baby at birth.
See you later, Maya. Alrighty. And a new tent.
No, I'm never gonna be able to be ultralight.
No, I think actually your tent's probably good.
I doubt it. Wow. Oh my God, this is the lowest I've ever seen it by far.
Yeah.
Dude, this is crazy. That is usually a freaking torrential whirlpool that I literally cannot make it past by myself. Like, I have had to bushwhack all the way over there before because I couldn't get past this section. So that's crazy.
Yeah, it's real crazy.
Okay, well, let's just lightly tiptoe across.
All right, I'm getting wet.
He's getting wet and she's delaying it for what reason?
Yeah, why are you waiting?
I don't know. Oh, it's perfect swimming temperature.
I know.
So excited. Welcome to our kingdom. Come on in. Got the entryway over here, crossing over the threshold. This is the living area.
Lovely fireplace.
Thank you. It was hand forged by stonemasons. And this is sort of the main chamber, which of course has its own fireplace as well.
Where the magic happens.
This is where the magic happens. Damn straight.
battening down the hatches. Justin. Sarah, the photog.
Perfect. All right, shall we go to the beach?
Let's hit the beach.
Shall we go to the beach? Let's go to the beach. It's gonna feel so good. Oh, let's go to the beach. Just be careful of the slippery fucking rocks. That's pretty nice.
Oh, buddy.
It's perfect.
Whoa. Arkansas, baby. Amazing. Wow. A mermaid.
This is the best swimming hole ever. Dude. Oh my gosh.
Howdy, partner.
This is like so glamorous. I mean, I feel like we're like on the Amalfi Coast right now. You know what I mean?
Yeah. No, this is as nice as like epic Colorado.
This is as nice as anywhere I've ever been.
I knew you were gonna do something crazy. I've never had a bite of an avocado like this. So it kind of feels like I've never had this feeling, but it seems like what ice cream would feel like.
It's so meta, dude.
I gotta get a shirt on. I'm getting bit by stuff.
Yeah.
We need to be coming out here way more often.
Yeah, this is what it's like in the summer. Oh, don't come to Arkansas in the summer. It's terrible. If there's one thing that I want everyone to know, don't come here. Just stay on your couch and watch other people come here.
This is not pretty.
We're uncomfortable, we're unhappy, we're uninspired.
Yep.
Does it get any worse than that?
Don't recommend it. The cork ball.
Oh, hurts so good.
Should we leave these open tonight?
Oh yeah, absolutely, we have to.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I pray we don't have to close them.
Whoa, those already have the shells off.
Yeah.
Let the dogs dry out. I don't need my swamp foot to be any worse than it already is. Not too bad yet.
Breakfast of Champions. Chimichurri beef jerky.
We at Javier's, and I thought that it was the steak of champions, but it's steak with mushrooms, like champiñones. I was like, Cam, get the steak of champions.
I
And
basically
the
just
waiter laughed at me.
I acted like you didn't say anything.
Yeah.
What am I doing?
Ripping sticky farts towards my face constantly. So we've got 6 mountains. Is that right? Or is it 8?
I thought it was like 5.
This is number 1. And basically, they just go straight the fuck up and then straight the fuck down.
Yeah, the last 4 miles as soon as we woke up this morning have just been rain.
But also really easy trail.
Easy trail. It was actually kind of nice, but moist.
Lots of water crossings. We're quite moist. We're quite damp. We'll dry off on these here mountains.
I don't know, I'm gonna get sweaty.
Cam's not gonna dry off. That's one down.
Yeehaw. Just one. 5 more to go.
We think.
We think.
Should I pull up the alley? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there you go. That's what we're doing. Zing.
Casual downhill after the mountains.
Actually way more casual than I even thought it was. Jeez. Okay, bye-bye.
Tick Central. What's up with you?
2.
Mountain number 2.
Yeah, you're here.
Some of the campsites here. Really pretty. Whoa, a naked person.
Dude, home free, baby.
That's when you fall. You can be like her, or you can be like me.
And ask me if my feet are wet.
Are your feet wet?
Yeah.
Yeah, mine are wet too, but I embrace it. Nerd. Number 3.
So cool.
Mountain Valley, baby.
Are you ready to ascend and descend?
I am. All right, back in the saddle.
Are we going downhill? I don't think so.
I think we're heading right back up.
Yeah.
Number 4. Number 4.
Yep.
Exact same color.
Exact same color. Unbelievable. Beautiful.
Right.
That was brutal.
Yeah, that was a tough one. You want me to go ahead?
Yeah. Gotta take my sweet ass time. Yeah.
Number 5. I don't know what to think of this.
Huh?
It's packed with food.
Yeah.
We're hungry. We did it. Number 5.
6.
Number 6.
That makes it a lot harder to drink, I'll tell you that much.
Split a tea bag. You gotta be gentle.
So many herbs in my mouth right now.
What is it? Ginger and mint?
Yeah, it's just ginger and mint.
Not a big deal.
Okay, we've been hiking since 6:30. It is 3:02. We've just made it to Little Missouri Trail. We did the whole Athens Big Fork Trail and the whole Viles Branch Trail. Now we just walk around along the river until we get back to our car.
It's pretty much all downhill from here. Michael?
Ooh, ooh.
Our tea solution.
There you go. Cold brew ginger mint tea, baby.
Take half. Pretty deep into it. Yeah, that one could probably be tightened to touch. Ooh, doggy. My dogs are barking.
My dogs aren't barking, but everything else is.
Oh my lord.
Oh my
Oh my Lanta.
Should we? We're not gonna be here for a while.
We could leave our packs right here.
Guess we should swim.
Oh.
So pretty.
Yeah.
You're tired.
I'm exhausted.
Oh yeah.
There it is.
There it is. So much trash.
The last little climb.
is all downhill from here.
All right, let's blast on down.
And by the way, never trust anyone if they say that something is all downhill. It's never all downhill.
All right, last downhill, but seriously.
No, this is actually all downhill. I thought I was hot shit coming in here. Oh, I just got off the Appalachian Trail. No. Oh, like what? Like this is easy? It's not. It's hard. It's really hard.
Marker.
What I was telling you about the oak apples. Oh, I love them so much. Oh,
What a
it's the most
crunch.
favorite thing on earth.
All right.
Ah, Bloop. Good times, good times. Woo, buddy.
All right. Oh, I have a flat tire.
Cool. Another
Things
thing
to deal
do.
with. Oh shit, it's flat. Okay. And that's YouTube. Check, check, 1, 2. Once again, that's YouTube, y'all. All right, it's YouTube. Back and forth, back and forth.